Wow, it feels like summer came out of nowhere. That also means the hurricane season is here. Don't flip out. MDOT can help you create a hurricane preparedness plan. First, figure out where you'll go and where you'll stay if you need to evacuate. Plan ahead and let someone know your plans. When it's time to get up and go during a hurricane evacuation, how will you get to where you're going? Find the evacuation route that works best for you using MDOT's Hurricane Evacuation Guide. Get it today at gomdot.com/hurricanes. Perishable food? Not in a hurricane preparedness kit. Your kit should include a variety of items to last you and your family for 14 days. And you'll definitely need non-perishable food. Want to know what else to pack? MDOT offers a free checklist to help you assemble your preparedness kit. Download it at gomdot.com/hurricanes. So what are you waiting for? Visit gomdot.com/hurricanes and get prepared today.